Okay, right now we're going to pin the bias tape to the right side. So I'm on the right side. I'm going to take the bias tape right up under the armpit. Right there. Put it right along the edge. And then I'm going to pin it like this, because as I stitch, I'm just going to release the pins. It works that way for me. It works different for other people. So just go ahead and pin it right to the underarm. Just take your time, pin it. Right there again, you pin it. And pin it to what's comfortable for you. Then I'm just going to release the bias tape a little bit. And then get right here at the bottom of the underarm. So right here is a seam. I'm just gonna fold mine together because you're gonna end up sewing it right here. So I'm just gonna pin it like right here. Right there, I'm gonna pin it. Okay, so I'm just gonna come up this way. Come up this way again. Then I'm going to pin right here as I keep on coming up and pin it some more. And then I'm going to just pin all the way up to the top, just following the edge of the underarm so that your bias tape is right here. Then right at the top, I'm gonna finish it. So I'm gonna go across like this, because it works for me. Then just take my scissors and cut it. And then my next step will be to sew it. So basically, I'm gonna do one at a time. So you're just gonna stitch here, right on that fold. Stitch right along here. Once you finish stitching, you're gonna fold it over. So let me go stitch.